So we DIY'd this. We took a piece of wood, we got a big aluminum can, put some screws in, and that way it can be your stamp. This is the propane torch that we used. Obviously you need your propane. Definitely a two-person job, but this is the way to go when you're opening your weed cover to plant, because you don't want to use a knife to rip open a hole, because over time that's going to fray, and the best way is just burning the weed protector and it'll stay sealed so it doesn't fray over time. All of the holes are cut. I went with the 6-inch holes. The good thing about that is I don't have to worry about making sure there's enough space for the lavender plants. But the downside of that is I will be weeding more frequently. Where the lavender is gonna go, obviously a big space for it to grow. They're all spaced 3 feet apart here and 5 feet side to side.